That's it. I found them. Ooh. Smell this again. Could try that. Be strong enough.
Thank you.
7. Well, I can just reuse it. I can just reuse it. There's 2 of them. I can just reuse it. I hate doing that. So let's get this, and let's get some bleach. Where's the bleach gonna be? What are we looking at? Ryobi? I'm sorry, I'm not a Ryobi fan, and I'm not a Home Light fan. You pay for what you get, and that's what you get when you buy. And every time I've bought, in my personal opinion, Home Light is about the same, if not worse, in my judgment. Best on the market for value and everything is, to me, it's Echo. Buy Echo, and you're going to pay a little bit more, but I've got an Echo blower that I've had for 4 years, haven't had a problem with. Anyway, that's just my opinion. Milwaukee is overpriced, but they're decent. And there's the Makita blower. There's the one that I have, and it works just fine. The battery on it doesn't last for the one I have. It came with a weed eater. I transferred to the blower because the weed eater wasn't worth a flip. Do not buy a Makita weed eater. Well, and that was years ago. Maybe they're doing better now. I don't know. Battery operated. I'm trying to go that route. What else? DeWalt, of course. DeWalt, overall, your best bet's to buy a DeWalt. Makita, my blowers, works fine. The battery's not worth a flip. 15 minutes and it's dead. But that may be because it's not really the one for it. Matter of fact, if there was a battery here handy, I'd buy it. Just because I know I'm going to be using it this summer. Oh well. Bunch of Honda products. There's the force. I almost bought that. If I could get some extensions for it, for that Dallas job, I was going to buy one of these and then get some extensions so we can drill 10 foot deep where we couldn't get the skid steer in, the Bobcat, without causing major havoc. It was a tougher road to go, but I'm glad we did it. It slowed the job way down, but oh well. Took us almost a week to drill 6 holes, and I drilled on a Bobcat myself 68 in one day. Of course, they're only 6 foot deep, but still, I mean, it can be done though. Golly, I'll be heavy. Boom. And DeWalt's locked up. Ryobi's not. That should tell you something right there. On the lawnmower, get you a nice little mower for $659. Looks like a space rocket from the back. Look at that. $329 for a blower. 40 volt. I don't think so. Alright. Let's go check out the genies. Safety cones are down there. Do I need a bucket? I need a bucket. God, I hate to buy a bucket. I'm gonna need one. Oh, moving blankets.
Hi, you looking for something?
Moving blankets.
Moving boxes or
Blankets.
blankets?
So where are the moving boxes? That's probably where the blankets are.
Yes, that's why I'm. You can check. You see the self-checkout signs, the black self-checkout signs, on the right-hand side on the front wall.
That is right. I remember. All right, thanks. Yeah, that's where they were. Oh, the genie. I'm gonna have to do something about. He knows I'm coming. No, you're good. Don't worry. You're good. Bricks always catch my attention. What's this got? Peel and stick. It's a tile, ceramic tile that's faced with. That's pretty though. I like that. Except you can feel the crevices. Yeah, you can that's just gonna gum up. But you got to do that in order to give the joint effect. Which this is nice, but rough to walk on. So I wouldn't get it. That's rough if you barefoot. Genie is with the windows, doors. I'm right here at it. Somewhere in this neighborhood. No, I don't. I got plenty of sponges. Plenty of sponges. Need some help?
I don't know, maybe you want to try this out and see if it's like stuck or just heavy, because I think it might just be stuck, right?
You got it. Yeah, there it is.
It's just stuck, right?
Yeah, it's picking up the other parts. It's stuck up underneath, so you need to take that one out first. Then you can get